by Assistant Serving Teacher Jess. Okay, the certificate invoice is just one for the portfolio. Wow, okay. For the second placer. Okay, who will it be? Second. Number? Second? Okay, we have second placer goes to number? Okay, thank you very much. Number 18. Second placer goes to number 18.
Second, third, yan. Napit yung drama yun no? Meron siguro. Wala na yata. Ano mo po sa first, second, third,
Okay, for the first placer. Okay, ready? Okay, picture please.
Hindi talaga siya naging tuto. Klaro niya. Class president ba?
Thank you so much for supporting our parents. Thank you, parents, teachers, judges. Thank you, audiences. Thank you, God. Thank you for the weather. Not too hot. Okay, number 11. Okay, so the group character show champion, number 19. Okay, speechless, yeah? Okay, we have number 19.
Congratulations, my baby! I'm very proud of you, baby. I love you.
Congratulations.